Oh, yeah.
It's okay now?
Yes. Thank you.
Super. Thank you very much for being invited to the European Maritime Day. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I represent Polish Maritime Technology Forum. I believe that the most fruitful talk is basing on the facts. For today, we have signed with the Ukrainian cluster Memorandum of Understanding. It concerns cooperation in ship designing, shipbuilding, as well as education of young Ukrainians at Polish Maritime University, future captains and naval architects, as well as naval architects from our technical university. For today, a very important document has been signed. Thankful to Mr. Sergei Gursky, director of the Ukrainian Register of Shipping, who has signed the agreement with Polish Register of Shipping. I believe it is a very important background for future cooperation regarding shipbuilding, ship designing, and approval new buildings by Ukrainian Register of Shipping, cooperation with Polish Register of Shipping, which is very open for assist in introducing Ukrainian Register of Shipping to Ajax. This has been already done. Such document has been signed by Sergei Gursky, who has been recently to Poland and did it. And we are very open for such cooperation. When coming back to the mutual agreement signed and enclosure to it, we have come to the conclusion that the very important at this stage is building up technical fleet, which absolutely is needed to make ports available for entering by ships. We speak about the dredgers, tugboats, pilot boats, and it has been worked out by naval architects from both sides, Polish and Ukrainians. Here I would like to emphasize that Ukraine has an absolutely fantastic, well-educated naval architects who are very helpful in elaborating this program for building up technical fleet to operate in future in Ukraine. Such annex to Memorandum of Understanding has been signed. It's the value of such program has been estimated to about 700 million euro. We have asked our colleagues from Ukraine to check if the type of the ships and the quantity is really confirmed by them, and it has been done. And for today, this is the background for our future relationship. But the point is that when we speak with the Western financial institutes like European Investment Bank and the World Bank, they ask us, has this program been approved by Ukrainian Parliament or Ministry of Infrastructure? And it's our sincere wish and request to you to proceed further on with your government to have this program approved by your parliament, or at least Ministry of Finance. In our opinion, it's very important to have it approved for further steps to discuss the financing of this project. Because ports must guarantee safety approach. And this program with this technical fleet will give such guarantee for a proper exploration of your ports. But the level we have achieved with your naval architects and Polish naval architects between our clusters, Ukrainian, Polish one, is absolutely treated as the background for further acceptance. And it must be approved by your parliament and by your Ministry of Infrastructure to proceed further on with the financial institutions in Europe and in the States. And Mr. Gursky, Sergei, has done a fantastic job to build up a nice relationship between our register of shippings. That is a background for further ship designing, issuing of certificates for approval of the new buildings. And this is the topic. If we achieve this point, we can move further on. And if we come to the moment that that funds will be destined for developing of your Ukrainian fishing vessels, then we shall have immediately we have the naval architects from both sides to start working in shipbuilding groups to elaborate, to prepare the technical specification, workshop drawings, to discuss what kind of job will be partly done by our Ukrainian colleagues from naval officers and by us to cooperate together. And this is the idea to support Ukrainian shipbuilding process with the assistance of our naval architects and our shipyards, partly in Poland, partly in European community, and later on to start building ships in Ukraine after making audit of the shipyards, of course, when the war will be finished. But the war starts with the war ends, and I believe we must be prepared with such program, because we cannot consider developing or reconstruction of Ukrainian economy without having ports reliable to render the services and reconstruction of your commercial fleet. That's all what I would like to say, with a sincere request to push matters forward to your parliament and to your ministry, to approval, to let me and Mr. Górski and the Ukrainian cluster further push matters forward in European financial institutions, European Investment Bank. That's it.